Hey guys! Today's video I am in Menton, France, and I'm on vacation. But I thought it would be kind of fun to take you guys along with some things to do, some specialties to try, and to just enjoy the beautiful scenery of the French Riviera. Alright, let's go!
I know it's always easy to fall in love, babe. Especially when the other person's kind of pretty. But I should tell you this is more than just looks, babe. Your hair, your heart, your smile, girl, you're everything. I know it's not as simple as on the TV, but I know, girl, we're simply meant to be. The way you laugh and dance, oh girl, I'm in trouble. I like the way you've always talked a little funny, but I should tell you that I've always kind of liked you. Your accent's nice, but girl, your heart is so much nicer. I know it's not as simple as on the TV, but I know, girl, we're simply meant to be. It's not as simple as on the TV, but I know, girl, we're simply meant to be.
the specialties is called a
fougasse,
and it's like a focaccia type bread, or a brioche almost, from the Menton city. And it's actually more for like Christmas time that you can find them more often, but I stumbled upon this in the marché, in the big market spot, marché des Halles, and it's beautiful. You can see why it's more for Christmas, with like the little red and snow-like design. Very cute. So let's give it a try.
So fougasse has raisins, pine nuts, fennel seeds, and the fennel seeds are covered in a colored sugar, as well as almonds. The exact recipe varies from each family or baker, and then like I said, you can find these at the marché des Halles.
Some other specialties to try would of course be the citron, the lemon, and like everything they have, like lemon ice cream, lemon everything. And not just lemon, but really any of the citrus fruits are very popular here.
And I can't forget to mention limoncello. So limoncello is a sweet lemon liqueur digestif, or after dinner drink. It goes down smooth, though I would note the limoncello from Menton is a bit different from the original Italian one.
Olive oil's also a big one. I got mine from the huilerie, and it's really good. It's like a shallot infused olive oil, delicious. There's a fried snack called barbejoine, and it has chard, which is like a spinach kind of flavor to it, in French blette. It has blette, rice, and onion.
Zucchini flowers are also very popular in this area of France, so you'll see fried zucchini blossoms or fritters as a popular snack, or even great for apéro.
If you haven't noticed from the map, Menton is right next to Italy, so there's a lot of Italian influence, so I definitely recommend getting your fix of Italian food. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and got a little mini vacation with this video. Let me know below in the comments what your favorite part of Menton is. And if you're wanting any more travel videos or anything France related, feel free to subscribe and check out my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Salut, bisous.